Lungu Kopsi, shooting victim addresses family. Sana pena mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa, there is a guy ari kuonekwa kunzi ari kuuya panapa achiaccusa the PF party achiti he was severely attacked by the PF party and he was left disabled. Akapotsa nepadiki aiwa upenyu hwake hwatorwa. Nzana pena mashoko anobuda nyoko panguva ino kuti bosubscribe like out on the bell kuti pina panapa munhu wadziri kubuditsawo panapa nevakomana vezi aiwa mubuda nyora chiti. My name is Loveday Munesi. I'm a 1 August 2018 shooting victim, failing to access medical assistance because of the late President Edgar Lungu's violations, which started when he violated Zambia law and deported legislator Tendai Biti before launching a political disinformation campaign that is still ongoing. I was shot on false allegations that I'm a political operator when I was just a civilian passing through the streets of Harare CBD. It is because of President Lungu's violations that I am still to get medical attention, either in my country or outside. The pain from the bullet, which is still lodged in my backside, is getting worse, as it is a foreign object that can only be removed by specialist medical expertise. I am appealing to the family and estate managers of President Edgar Lungu to consider my plight, as the late head of state was for over 7 years approached by journalists who include Simba Chikanza, but he publicly played down my plight. I might not be the copy of a late president getting international media sympathy. I'm a wounded father whose family is struggling as a result of these violations. I appeal to the Lungu family to also consider my plight at this difficult time. I continue to endure torment and pain 7 years running. I ask the Lungu family to fight for me the same way they are doing the men's Kopsi. I reserve the right to sue. Loveday Munesi. Ndo mashoko ari kuuya panapa aiwa munhu anyatsorwadza kuti ari kudescribe situation yake iri kusiririsa anyatso kuonekwa kunzi aiwa he was disabled nekuda kwevakomana aiwa vanoonekwa kunzi vanotonga nedemo. Pina comment section medu nzi mafunguro enyu atwede pamusoro pechitiko ichi.